This is how you clean a vacuum. First, unplug it. Second, now that it's all done, you gotta take off the bag in the front of it. You gotta press down, and it'll pop right off. I got this bag. Reach in here, grab this cardboard piece, you pop it off, just like that. You look in here, turn it around, take the hose off, inspect it, make sure there's nothing in there. If there is, you'll get a screwdriver, you'll stick it down there and clean it, but I don't have anything in there. And I'll demonstrate here. Just stick it, twist your finger around. Oh, here. Same in here too. Oh yeah, and taking this off, you twist down, pull out. You put it in, make sure the things align, and then you just pop it right back in and twist it the other way. And I don't have a clean bag, this one's, yeah, I don't have a clean one, so I just put it on. But you get your clean bag, you put it on, make sure this hole aligns with that, and then you, just gotta swap hands for this. Pop it on, and you squeeze it on. You just super easily push the flat cardboard around it, spits right on, stuff it in there. You put it on like this first. Oh, wrong way, back. Push it in like this. Okay, yes. It paused, no. Okay. Put it on. And then you kind of grab it up here. You just push. There you go. And you plug it in and turn it on, and you're done. It's cleaned.